Hi guys, it's Sweet Gaming, and today I'm playing Animal Jam Play Wild. So I already made an account, so I'm just going to be playing like a few games, and I'm just going to be showing you guys around. So let's go and just play some games. So let's start. It's loading. I like how they say facts about the game. Tell you facts. Can you go on the side? I want to go on the side. Whee! I never knew that. Whee! I got a sapphire. 6 sapphires. So, let's start playing some games. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the town, and then we'll start playing some games. Yay! Okay, let's play Drama Derby. I love that game. I played it before. I made my account like a few days ago, so I already know how to play it. So it's really fun. And I got the idea of playing Animal Jam by Mango Mochi. That's Emily's channel. She plays Animal Jam, and I like her channel, Mango Mochi, and I also like Two Sisters Toy Style. Emily and Evelyn are such sweet girls, and I want you to subscribe to them. And please subscribe to me too. Woo. I mostly watch Mango Mochi and Two Sisters Toy Style channel. That's my favorite channel ever. So yeah. I'm first. Yay. Let's do one more round, and then we'll go start playing something else. Well, not something else in Animal Jam. We're just going to play another game in Animal Jam. I hope I win again. I won a lot of gems. A lot. Go! Go fast as you can. Someone's catching up to me. No. No. I have to be first. I think we both might be first. I think we're both first. But I thought I was gonna win. Yep, we're both first. Yay! Okay, let's go play something else. Well, something in Animal Jam. Let's go play. How about painting? Looks fun. Sounds fun. Okay. Yay, painting. Gonna add that color. I'm also gonna, I don't really use yellow. I'm gonna add that color, and I'm gonna, I don't use orange that much. Add that color. And it also really, who needs white? That color. No, not that color. That color. Okay. There we go. That's a pretty looking sky. Well, background. I was gonna do a flower, but I think I'm just gonna do a heart. My voice isn't that good. Okay, beautiful. Oh, what am I doing? I'm using a bucket. I'm so glad tomorrow's the weekend. Okay, do this. And let's make a little cute face. Oh, no. Why do I keep on using bucket? Oh no, that doesn't look good. Neither does that. And cute little lips. Okay, I'm gonna look. Hold on. No, that doesn't. Oh no, I don't like this. Okay, I'm just gonna do lips again. That's too much. Perfect. And just do that, and that. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Okay, done. Now, go and have some fun. Let's play one more game. Oh, let's do this treasure hunt first, and then we'll play a game. This game is so much fun. Oh, come on. Yay! Sapphire? Wow. That one. Yay! Perfect. Okay. Now let's go play one more game. Okay. One game. Let's just play long shot. Okay. Let's do one round of this, and then we'll do, something else. Okay. Oh, that was not good at all. Oh, wow. Wow. So cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, I never went so far. Oh no. Wow. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what's your favorite animal. And goodbye!